The concept of a circular economy underlies the decision for the European Union to implement digital product passports. A circular economy is where the value of products, materials, and resources is maintained in the economy for as long as possible, and the generation of waste minimized, as defined in the EU's Circular Economy Action Plan. As the name implies, a circular economy is the opposite of a linear economy. It's less of a straight-line flow of goods through the economy, from raw material extraction to manufacturing to a retailer, and then finally delivery of goods to the consumer, who disposes of them at the end of the day, but rather an optimization of the sustainability, reuse, and repair of products to keep them useful. Key to this sustainability is the data accompanying a product. These data points help drive transparency to ensure that key stakeholders can make decisions that will drive sustainability and reuse. This transparency is enabled by a digital product passport, which contains key data from different parts of a product's life cycle to inform stakeholders. These data points are key for actors across the value chain to make decisions that enable more sustainable production and use of products. Stakeholders can benefit from this transparency in a variety of ways. Raw material suppliers can provide data that helps others trust their sustainable sourcing methods. Manufacturers, for their part, can stifle piracy by helping to authenticate their product. They can also access post-sale data and insights from customers, as well as facilitate warranty claims and recalls. Retailers can supply customers with trusted information, drive consumer confidence in sustainability claims, and provide value-added services related to product. Consumers can compare products by their sustainability attributes, find support and repair options, and locate recycling services. Finally, repairers can gain trusted information on spare parts and identify predictive maintenance opportunities, while recyclers can enable automated sorting of materials. Digital product passports help enable a circular economy, drive product sustainability, and connect with consumers in new ways. Start preparing for digital product passports now and learn more at piconext.com.